Hey, it's Pankaj Sharma. Today, I'm about to show you how you can unlock your business potential using one simple tool, the business model canvas. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by thick business plans, trust me, you're not alone. The business model canvas is your cheat sheet. It's a one-page map that breaks down your entire business idea into 9 simple building blocks. Let's run through them. First, who are your customers? That's your customer segments. For instance, a coffee shop might target busy professionals. Next, what value are you actually delivering to them? That's your value proposition. For example, the coffee shop offers quick, high-quality coffee and a relaxing atmosphere. Then, how do you reach those customers? Channels. For instance, the coffee shop uses a mobile app, social media, and in-store promotions. And how do you build relationships with them? That's customer relationships. For example, the coffee shop offers a loyalty program and friendly, personalized service. Now, how do you actually make money? Revenue streams. For instance, the coffee shop earns revenue from coffee sales, snacks, and merchandise. But what key things do you need to make all this happen? That's key resources. For example, the coffee shop needs skilled baristas, quality coffee beans, and a prime location. Who helps you along the way? Those are your key partners. For instance, the coffee shop partners with local bakeries and coffee bean suppliers. What daily activities are essential? That's key activities. For example, the coffee shop's key activities include brewing coffee, serving customers, and managing inventory. And finally, what are your costs? Cost structure. For instance, the coffee shop's main costs are rent, staff salaries, and ingredient expenses. The magic? You see the big picture at a glance. You spot gaps and opportunities instantly. Whether you're a startup founder or refining an existing business, this canvas keeps you focused and agile. No drowning in paperwork. Grab a blank canvas, fill it in, move things around. Test, tweak, repeat. It's fast, it's visual, and it just works. So, ditch the 30-page plan. One page is all you need to get started. Ready to sketch out your business future? Let's get building.